Hi guys, today I'm just going to be doing my makeup and I don't know, talking about random stuff. So here we go. I always use these makeup wipes from, you can get them at Marshalls or TJ Maxx. They're only like $3.99 for a bunch of them, and there's a bunch of different kinds. So I always use those when I have to wipe off the makeup off my hand. Just getting that ready. I'm gonna start off with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is a mini one that I got in like a set. Just trying to use it up. I usually just put this in my T-zone where I get the most pore issues. Very nice, luxurious feeling primer. I love it. Next, I am gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna do the same base that I usually do. I mix the Smashbox and the Matte and Poreless Primer by Maybelline. Oops, kind of a lot. Just gonna do a couple pumps of that, lighten it up, mix it up on my hand, and apply it with my fingers. Going to apply the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium on my trouble areas, just where I have a couple extra pimples. And then I'm also going to just take a little bit and put it under my eyes, but since it's still kind of a little too dark for me right now, I'm going to lighten it up with my Smashbox Studio Skin. Next, get my brushes out just so I have them here near me. And I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way powder. I'm actually going to bake today, which doesn't happen very often, but I'm just going to dip my beauty blender right in there and set. Every time I do this, you see little particles flying everywhere. It looks like little glitters. I like to bake on the sides of my nose as well. This does get a little drying if I leave it on for too long, so I like to dust it off with a tapered brush like this. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff off Sephora last night for the big sale. So I think my next video is going to be a like Sephora haul from the sale. Face has been really oily lately, so I'm just going to take a bit of the Tarte Shape Tape powder and set the rest of my face up a little bit, but I don't ever use the little puff it comes with. I just dip right in with my big fluffy brush and just brush a little bit. I like this because it doesn't get too like matte and flat feeling. So I still have a little dewiness going on. Next, I'm going to take my bronzer and sticking with the butter bronzer since I'm pale. It's like the perfect shade for me right now. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M530. It's like a little contour brush. Next, I'm going to put on a little blush. I can never freaking say that right on the first time. I'm gonna use Feisty by Tarte. Just like a matte mauve peach color. And I'm gonna use my Real Techniques blush brush. A trusty brush that I've had for years now. Hasn't let me down this far. Next, I'm gonna go in with some highlight, and in honor of the new recent re-release news about the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, I'm gonna use this with my Anastasia highlight brush. Only appropriate, right? Put it just on the tops of my cheekbones. Very glowy look. On the nose, on the lip, and on the eyebrow bone. Next, I set with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Past few days I've been liking just using brow powder instead of like a pencil. So I think I'm just gonna use this Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit instead of like a pencil and all that too. This works better for me and it's easier for me to like make like a more natural looking brow. And I'm just gonna use the angled brush with the spoolie to complete this. And now that those are done, just going to set those in place with my Gimme Brow in the shade 5. The weather here is so confused. Okay, now that those are set in place, I'm gonna go in with my KKW Mario palette. It's really dirty because the packaging, but here's the color palette. I'm gonna go in using her concealer brush. I actually use it for my eyeshadow a lot. I'm just gonna dip into this color right here, a little transition shade. It's the same color as my nails. Take off the excess because there is some fallout. Next, I'm going to take a little blending brush, but it's more tapered. Got it in my Ipsy bag. And I'm going to take this matte brown up here in the corner. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush once again and blend it out. Do the same thing to the other side. It's turning very darky and smoky. So I'm just gonna blend it out again. Then I'm going to take this Luxie shader brush, and I'm gonna go into this like taupe glimmer shade right here. Just gonna put that all over the lid. Very simple, glam, but not too glam eye look. I like it. Just gonna take like a clean brush and blend the edges. Next, I'm just gonna take this Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. It's my current favorite. Next, that's like more of a vampy look. I'm going to use Moon by Kylie Cosmetics. So it's more of like a taupey, darky, smoky eye. I don't know how else to describe it. And just to line the lips, I'm going to use the shade Naked 2 by Urban Decay. And here's the completed look. Thanks for watching, guys.